Hi guys, hello, namaste, and how are you all? So, is it raining in your place? Let me know in the comments. And new moon has started, and this new moon is in water sign Cancer. So, let's see what messages Cancerians are getting, and even each and every one of them, including Cancerians. You and your loved ones are safe. So, if your loved one is staying far from you, now this loved one can be anybody, your friends, your relatives, your family members, your neighbors, anybody, your colleagues, or anybody. So, here's the message for you all that they are absolutely safe. If you are worrying that how they are, or maybe you are not able to contact or connect with them because of your or their busy schedule also, or maybe difference in timing and all, whatsoever it can be. So here's the answer for you. They are absolutely safe. So stay relaxed. This is the very first message behalf of this new moon. Okay, and yes, do claim it. Our second message is relax. So what I am feeling over here is behalf of this new moon, like July 14th was new moon, and these energies usually start 2 days prior from the actual day. So considering from 12th July, if you felt that your emotions were triggered in some or the other way, or you were feeling overwhelmed, or suddenly you were feeling emotional, or whatsoever it is, something related to your emotions, then I clearly feel that this was the effect of this no moon and this new moon, because no moon was on 14th of July, and after the no moon, now yesterday and today also these energies will be there. Slowly and gradually it will cover up. And looking at this picture, I'm clearly seeing this new moon, and you can see the reflection falling on this water. So I clearly feel water, this is actually reflecting, this is actually showing your emotions. So this is the effect of the no moon or the new moon. Even the new moon, this is what I would say. So you need to relax like this, with like this water shown in the picture. How can you do this? Like, whatever is triggering you, whatever is disturbing you emotionally, please release it. As I always say, do release rituals during the lunar cycles or even before that. Accordingly, also you can meditate, you can do grounding. How you can do grounding? Like barefooted, you can, if wherever where you stay, if there is a garden area, you can walk on the grass or on that soil, or also on the floor, not yet floor in your house, but you know outside house. If it is safe for you, you can do this grounding thing. Or you can roam maximum in nature where there is greenery, plants, trees. It will, and there is very nice breeze, it will really give you some positive results. But let me tell you one thing to add here. This you can do only if you are calmed. If you are irritated, if you are frustrated, if you are in that anger thing or something, it won't help you much. So if any of the practices you wish to do about in these whatever I said now, first calm yourself by deep breathing, and only then do these practices. It will give you good results. Last message is focus on creating emotional safety and nurturing relationships. Well, a lot of us, we, you know, in materialistic way, in that point of view, we always nurture our relationship, right? But what about emotional beings? Like many of them, if even if they are in any relationship, this is not only related to that husband wife and girlfriend boyfriend type. No, this can be any relationship. How many of you understand your loved ones or your people to whom you're connected emotionally? Like that bonding should be also there. So how much do you understand them emotionally? That also matters. If someone is saying something, if someone is behaving in a particular way, do you try to understand them emotionally, in that emotional way, that why? And not just by like, oh my god, always this person behaves like this, like what a headache it is, not like this, but why is this person doing like this? Because guys, relationships are such that it is like a glass, like it takes few seconds just to break. But you know, if we wish to build a relationship, and that too safety, a safe relationship, it can take years or maybe even life, right? So do acknowledge it and do understand your people emotionally, okay? Not just practically in a materialistic way, logically, no, even emotionally. There are some, few connections that we need to understand them emotionally also. And even the key highlights are the same: nurturing, emotional growth, and safety. So work on it, guys. And guys, so this was the reading we have of the new moon. Another reading will be coming related to new moon. And other than this, if you have liked the video, if you understood it, put a like. Do let me know in the comment box. Do subscribe to my channel and also follow my social media links. And apart from this, guys, I wish to share something with you, but I feel I have to make another full video on that particular thing. Like, this is especially for people who have a lot of habit of taking spiritual guidances from tarot readers, from astrologers, or anybody else, or psychics also, anybody. And this is especially for them. Like, even though they are taking one guidance, still they are not satisfied. They will have some tomorrow they will have guidance from someone else, or maybe after few minutes or few hours later they will have guidance from somebody else and all everything. So this is especially for them. And I will make a dedicated video with respect to this experience of someone that I recently got to know, and it is really horrible. Like, why some people cannot respect spirituality. It is such a sacred thing. I really don't understand. Like, very sad to see that some people have just made it as a joke, and as a, just a sort of a business. Spirituality is not a business. So, well, I will try to make the video or as soon as possible, because I really genuinely feel each and everyone, even though you're not someone who are taking, a lot of guidances, but I feel that each and everyone should know about this. Okay. So till then, thank you so much and bye.